Before you trust any new online store, there are a few things you should always check, and SensleyT.com is a good example of why that matters. At first, SensleyT.com looks like a modern fashion store, but when you start going through it carefully, the overall setup feels more like a product-focused selling page than a well-established brand. Let's start with what they are selling. The website mainly offers women's clothing, especially dresses and fashion items. The collection is not very broad like a full clothing brand. Instead, it feels more focused on selected products rather than a large catalog. Some products are highlighted heavily, which makes it look more like a promotional store than a complete fashion brand. Now looking at product images. The images are attractive and well presented. Models, styling, and colors are used to create a strong visual appeal. But everything looks very polished and consistent, which sometimes makes it difficult to judge how closely the real product matches what is shown. Next comes pricing. Most products are placed in a similar price range, and in some cases, they are shown with offers or bundle-style deals. Instead of normal pricing variation, the structure feels controlled, designed to make the product look like a good deal. Product descriptions are available, but they are quite basic. They focus on style, fit, and general features like fabric and design, but they don't go very deep into quality details. Across different listings, the descriptions feel quite similar rather than highly detailed or unique. Now let's talk about website design. The layout is simple and clean. It is built in a way that directly pushes the product, with fewer distractions. But it doesn't feel like a strong brand with depth. It feels more like a standard e-commerce template built to sell quickly. Moving to the About Us section. The website tries to build trust by mentioning customer satisfaction and large numbers of happy buyers. However, the information remains quite general. It doesn't clearly explain who runs the business, where it operates from, or how long it has been active in the market. Now looking at contact details. The website mainly provides email-based support. There is no strong presence of a phone number or clearly defined business address. For a store claiming a large customer base, this level of contact transparency feels limited. Let's talk about return and refund policy. The website mentions a return guarantee, which sounds reassuring. But like many similar stores, the actual process may involve conditions such as approval and customer-handled return shipping. This means the return process might not always be simple or convenient. Shipping is described in a general way. The website mentions delivery timelines and sometimes highlights offers like free shipping. However, the details are not very specific, which can create uncertainty about actual delivery time and consistency. Now coming to payment methods. The website supports standard payment options like cards and secure checkout systems, which is expected. While this provides basic convenience, it doesn't add strong trust on its own. Another important point is website age. This website is relatively new and does not have a long track record. A newer website is not always a problem, but when combined with limited transparency and general information, it increases the level of caution needed. Finally, customer experience. The website shows very strong positive ratings and large review numbers directly on its pages. However, since most of this feedback is internal, it's difficult to independently verify how consistent the experience actually is. When you look at everything together, SensleyT.com appears to be a product-focused fashion store with strong visual presentation and controlled pricing strategies. But at the same time, there are gaps in transparency, limited business details, and a relatively new presence that increase the risk. So instead of relying only on what the website shows, it's better to take a careful approach. If you're planning to buy from this website, take your time, check the details properly, and avoid making quick decisions based only on presentation. Because in cases like this, the real experience often becomes clear only after the purchase. And if you want more genuine website reviews like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel.